Oh shit!
Oh no!
Please don't kill it. No, 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 don't kill it. No, oh shit. Oh. Don't kill, please. Wait. Let's just close the doors. It went up.
Where did it go?
All right, sorry.
Maybe it went into my bed again. Or here? Yeah.
I don't wanna sleep with a rat.
Correct. No.
Hi.
Ở đây. Kham mình.
Oh shit. Bite.
Với kham.
Bite?
No. Đi. Sẽ qua chặt về.
Oh shit.
It got you, it bit you.
Yeah, it bit him.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
Và nó dần chậm tí tiết rồi. Có ai thôi. Tao lại là ốc tí tiết.
Oh man.
Are you okay? Ah. Good? Yeah.
No, I don't want to sleep here.
Yeah, it hit you. Yeah, ooh. That is not good.
What shall I do now?
Oh no, don't lock us in.
I'm gonna change bed or room. Oh fuck,
How long
man.
are you in this hostel for?
I came last night.
But like, have you booked? How long have you booked for?
Just day by day.
Oh, okay, fair.
Let's check this bed.
There's nothing in there. I can see it.
Oh shit.
The girl moved out yesterday.
Oh, so much sand.
Nice and clean.
야, 자, 이거 어른 보고 있으니까 진짜.